It is possible for a woman to be working just to keep herself occupied, to keep herself busy, as well as to challenge her mind. It needn't be because of money, but if money comes in, all the better. I am Geeta Modi and you are watching My Fair Lady from this bustling city, Surat. I bring to you women with startups, and it is an amazing journey that we see of theirs. My guest today started her work with the IT industry. She then realized very quickly that there was a big gap in the digital marketing industry. And because of this, she traveled all around India to gather a lot of information and knowledge and came back to the city and started her firm. She also realized there was a gap in the digital marketing teaching space, and so she started that too. She proudly claims to have digitized more than 10,000 people in a short span of 2.5 years. Let's meet the dynamic package of energy, Forum Marfatia. And I think I should say Forum Marfatia Patel. Okay, Forum, lovely to have you. You have a big name, and I'm sure your personality is also as big, and what you're doing is bigger.
Thank you so much. It is actually my privilege to share this with you.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you so much for calling.
My pleasure.
My pleasure to come here.
Great. Now we want to hear, of course, all about your journey. How you began your career, how you began your entrepreneurial journey, and how is it going, and where have you reached?
So journey is a very long thing,
Yeah.
but I'll cut it short for everybody. And it's an interesting journey of a Gujju Banya girl.
Of course.
A business-minded family and business blood family से belong करने वाली. So I have studied IT.
Okay.
IT के बाद then I moved to IT city Bangalore. So it was a great opportunity. And वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं वो खटक रहा था. After like 4 years of my journey, I was at the stage that now I can move forward in the IT field. और वो अंदर से कहीं ना कहीं वो आवाज़ आ रही थी that कुछ खुद का करना है, you know, you want to do your own. So that was something, the अंदर से जो आवाज़ आती है, that brought me back to my city Surat. And I started here with the IT. That was my forte. So यहाँ पे at that point of time, like I'm talking around about 4 to 5 years back, जब मैं सूरत शिफ्ट हुई थी, and it was little difficult for me because वहाँ पे मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन थे जब मैं बैंगलोर से शिफ्ट हुई थी. I was really getting a good opportunity as in permanently shifting out in foreign from my IT job and career. और I came back to Surat, so that was a hard decision which I took. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे the journey was something के at that time in Surat, textile business is like our पहचान of Surat. So textile के जो एक wave चल रहा था उसमें everybody wanted their own website. Like e-commerce business was on a highest
website,
and peak. So everybody wanted their own e-commerce website, and so I was like also making IT है, software development है, website development है. So a lot of people came and we started making a lot of websites for them. Now during that journey I also realized that लोग website तो बना रहे थे, but they could not sustain it for a longer period of time.
You're right.
So lot of people didn't know how to run digitally business, इसको automate कैसे कर सकते हैं, and the gap was digital marketing, which I could figure it out, and वहीं से opportunity grab हुई, and I started jumping into the industry of digital marketing. पहले खुद सीखना शुरू किया, and being into IT मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा कि it was very quick that I could grab it out.
Yeah, you could understand the things.
मतलब algorithm समझना Facebook के, Instagram के, it was like very interesting thing for me, and I could grab it out very nicely. So but पता नहीं वो उस टाइम पे क्या पागलपन था हो गया था, मैंने 17 कोर्स में एक साथ में एनरोल कर लिया, एंड आई स्टार्टेड जंपिंग लाइक यहाँ से सीख लूँ, बट आई वाज एंजॉयिंग दैट लर्निंग प्रोसेस.
So it was online or you were traveling?
No, I was all over the, like उस टाइम पे तो 4 साल पहले तो we used to travel a lot ना, तो I used to go to मैंने बैंगलोर, पुणे, मुंबई, दिल्ली, चेन्नई, मैं हर जगह पे जाके सीख चुकी हूँ. So ये सीखने के दौरान ना मैंने पर एक चीज़ समझी that it was not easy for everybody to learn this. अगर जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कुछ सीखना चाहते थे उनके लिए सूरत, गुजरात में it was not that easy. We'll have to travel, we'll have to do a lot of exposure हमें बाहर से लेना बहुत ज़रूरी था. So I started doing it, and मैंने मेरे clients जो IT के मेरे वेबसाइट के clients थे उसमें I started implementing the stuff. That was something really good because I have believed something that whatever you are learning, if you are not implementing,
It doesn't make sense.
it doesn't make sense. Like knowledge which is not used is garbage.
Yes, yes.
So I started implementing it immediately और मुझे उसका रिजल्ट भी बहुत अच्छा मिलना शुरू हो गया. So that was more intrigued for me कि यार इतनी अच्छे से रिजल्ट मिल रहा है, people are accepting it, I'm able to contribute into my client's business more.
Right.
So that was a very fascinating point and I started more jumping into digital marketing. So that was a then career shifting point कि मैं IT से पूरा पीछे छोड़ के I completely shifted my focus to digital marketing and then the journey more begin like with my entrepreneurship. Like मैंने मेरी खुद की company start की. I started with my more first employee and I still remember कि हम लोग घर से काम करते थे.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So घर से we started and then we grew up with the team, we grew up with our office and it was a great journey. Again after 1 year we realized कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सर्विसेज के साथ साथ जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो मैंने शेयर किया कि लर्निंग वाज नॉट इजी फॉर एवरीबॉडी. So that was the point which I realized and I started giving trainings.
Yeah, people have to understand to implement it also.
So there are two things which actually drive me जिसकी वजह से मैंने ट्रेनिंग शुरू की. एक था that of course lack of employees, like prepared candidates ही नहीं थे because 4 years back ये digital marketing was not a part of any course curriculum. हमें कॉलेज में नहीं सिखाया जाता था, तो students were not there from this background. तो फर्स्ट मेरा मोटिव ये भी था कि मैं ट्रेन करूँ ताकि मुझे ही अच्छा एक हमें अच्छा एक स्टाफ ट्रेन्ड पीपल वी कैन गेट इट. एंड सेकेंड द थिंग वाज digital marketing awareness. I think today I would say every entrepreneur or every owner, every business owner, every leader should also learn digital marketing. There is a big need of learning digital marketing for everybody. Because as an owner, अगर आप ऐसे ब्रांड के ओनर भी अगर आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या है अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है तो आप एजेंसी से काम करवाओ, आप एम्प्लॉय रख के काम करवाओ, आपको पता ही नहीं कि व्हाट वर्क नीड्स टू बी लाइक गेट इट डन.
राइट.
सो वो एक दूसरा ड्राइविंग फैक्टर था जिसकी वजह से आई स्टार्टेड जंपिंग इनटू द ट्रेनिंग पार्ट. एंड अगेन आई डोंट नो समहाउ मेरी लाइफ में एक मंत्रा रहा है कि जो भी करो ना वो एक लेवल से ही करो. सो टू डू दैट मोर बेटर लाइक मैं ट्रेनिंग अच्छे से लोगों को दे पाऊँ, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग हाउ टू ट्रेन पीपल. सो मैंने वो ट्रेनिंग ली कि मैं लोगों को ट्रेन कैसे कर सकूँ अच्छे से. सो दैट वाज अनदर टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ माई लाइफ. And from that day onwards, like ये digital marketing trainer, coach and public speaker, that tagline is with me.
Great, yeah. What an awesome journey. I think. Do you ever regret that you didn't take that opportunity of going abroad and you came back to the small town and made it big here or whatever?
So I'll be very honest. Okay, I don't regret at all, but my family does it till today. I don't know why. Like my family always have that यार तुम अभी US में होती and all that, they have that in mind. And second, I don't regret that I am in a small town. Surat and Gujarat has a power of business.
True.
हाँ, मैं एक साल जब मैं बैंगलोर से सूरत शिफ्ट हुई, that 1 year, initial 1 year was very hard for me. वो लगता है मेट्रो सिटी से एंड आईटी हब से जब आप ऐसे बिजनेस माइंड सिटी में when you shift,
the psyches are very different of both the cities.
Very like I was feeling, I was crying alone and I was feeling like I'm not able to talk to people. मैं किससे बात करूँ मुझे, and I was
you're not on the same wavelength and people are very different.
Indeed.
Great.
Never.
So now that you're in this field, how do you think more women need to understand this, more men need to understand, or because I see that women, especially in my age group after 50 plus, they are really not much on this platform because maybe they are not working or maybe they are housewives or but still now if YouTube देखना है या छोटा तो कभी कभी बच्चों को बुलाकर दिखा बोलो मुझे ये बताओ ये कैसे करूँ
Zoom meeting अटेंड करना
हाँ वो सब करना है. So I think ladies after a particular age also, youngsters तो फटाफट पिकअप कर लेते हैं. So how do you foresee कि ये ladies को किस तरह से you can bring into this, train them, and do you think that is required?
So, मेरी लाइफ के आई एम फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव many good mentors in my life. One of the mentors said me the terminology we use is the migrators. जिसे आप कहते हो ना कि वो पुराने ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ जो वर्किंग थे उसमें से अब ये डिजिटल की और जो सीख रहे हैं बच्चों को बुला के ये ज्वाइन कर दो. सो वी कॉल इट माइग्रेटर्स. आई थिंक वो डिजिटल माइग्रेटर्स के लिए ऑफ कोर्स इंडीड इट इज टू मच रिक्वायर्ड नाउ. मैंने पहले कहा कि एवरीबडी, आई बिलीव everybody has to learn digital marketing and not only marketing perspective but ये tools क्या है, उसके power क्या है, सिक्योरिटी की दृष्टि से भी आई थिंक मैं कहूँगी कि वी शुड हैव दैट अवेयरनेस इन सेंस के हमें एटलीस्ट वो बेसिक्स पता होने चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक हमारा नेक्स्ट जनरेशन किस चीज को यूज कर रहा है, वो कौन सी दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है, उसके लिए तो पता ही होना चाहिए.
आई थिंक बिकॉज लेडीज आई हैव सीन माय लाइक शेवीज दादी जो है, शी इज लाइक 88 years old now and she has studied, I mean she has learned this whole thing and now she watches movies, she'll watch every show that I have done, she'll put her comments and everything, so and my father, I remember he passed away, but when he was doing his business first there was the fax and the telefax and whatnot they were using. And then when he started getting on to emails and all that, it was also easy and he couldn't believe itna easy thodi na ho sakta hai na, atlu se lo atlu jaldi, it was
for them it's like a magic.
Yeah,
acha ye click pe ho gaya, acha it's done.
So he was like so surprised, and but then he learned at the age of 78. So I've seen people when they go to that age they learn, but people who are in their 50 55 and all that, they are not learning. So that was something which I have noticed. I don't know if it's true.
Absolutely ma'am, ये एक साइकोलॉजी और मेंटालिटी हम कह सकते हैं that people sometimes feel it like बस early retirement. I call it early retirement, I think. और ये mentally होता है. We can take a great inspiration from अमिताभ बच्चन जी.
Of course.
मैंने उनके ही one of the poem उन्होंने लिखा है that learning never stops. Like at the age of 75 के बाद उन्होंने उनकी बहुत सारी learning शुरू की.
Yes.
So why are we stopping ourselves? I think where the world is heading towards, we have to cope up with, we have to learn. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी और डिजिटल के पावर क्या क्या है. सो आई डू, मेरे जितने भी वर्कशॉप्स हुए हैं, मेरी मॉम मेरे डैड उसमें कंपलसरी बैठ चुके हैं. सो फॉर देम इट वाज लाइक दे हैव टू कंपलसरी लर्न दिस.
No option.
We'll have to.
So how do you see your business scaling? To in what way and where you can reach in the next, say, 5 years?
So I really have a dream of creating a university.
Okay.
I want to create a digital university where I am creating 3 parts of it. It's a triangle. One is for all the students, entrepreneurs, business owners, like training, who wants to take training. तो मैं उनको train करना चाहती हूँ, मैं सिखाना चाहती हूँ. I have a target in this year which I have taken 1 lakh people.
Wow.
So I want to reach out to 1 lakh people pan India. हम try कर रहे हैं, ये मेरी कोशिश रहेगी. Second triangle would be the job. So lot of job opportunities are there in digital marketing right now. आफ्टर पेंडेमिक मैम स्पेसिफिकली 50% जो लोग सैलरी में अभी काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे जॉब में ऐसा है कि लाइक पीपल गॉट ले ऑफ एंड ऑल.
Yes.
In digital marketing, it's a ulta scenario. We have 3 times more requirement. Every digital marketing agency has opening, and a lot of job opportunities are there. And within the digital marketing, there are so many sub branches and sub positions that have opened nowadays.
So they should do this pivot because supply demand jahan par hai, so you can fill
definitely. So I really want to have that job sell. That's my future plan in this 5 years of journey. And third is empowering businesses, small businesses specifically, कि जो शायद agencies hire नहीं कर सकते हैं, या जो शायद digital marketing की बड़ी जो fancy you have a consultancy, they cannot afford that. For them I want to create a consultancy cell. एंड वो कंसल्टेंसी सेल मेरे ख्याल से मेरे पार्टिसिपेंट्स और जो हमारा दूसरा विंग जो हमारे जॉब का है उसी में से पीपल विल गेट एम्पावर एंड वी कैन प्रोवाइड देम अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ कंसल्टेंसी विद दिस स्मॉल बिजनेस.
So it can all work,
so it's a
helping each
triangle
other,
which is an ecosystem,
which
I want to make it.
Amazing, very
so
nice,
it's a
and really
digital
good
world which I want to make it.
Yes, and you can just do it all from one place. I mean, you don't have to travel so much.
Indeed. So that's a digital
way of working now. So I think that is the new normal also, and that is a new way of people.
#new normal. True.
New normal. Oh, this was awesome hearing your journey. So now we are coming to the fast track rapid fire questions,
Oh,
which is
God.
all about being a girl, being a woman, being
my
all
God.
about, all the fun things, that you could do. How many pairs of shoes and bags do you have?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Very less, like
How
7
bad?
to 8. I think why
put
to
a-
have too much
Okay, that is the
channelization
way.
and distraction into all this? I believe Mark Zuckerberg's strategy is superb.
Okay.
सुबह उठो यार, black color का t-shirt पहनो, it's done.
Gone. So you
don't
prefer
have to
a
think
uniform
ना.
system.
You don't have to think कि आज क्या पहनना है सुबह उठ के and क्या है, कितना time energy उसमें है. Let's focus on something creative and productive.
Yeah. If you want to go on a holiday, what do you pack in your case? I mean, the most important item.
Charger and mobile.
That's it.
Mobile and charger.
उसके बिना नहीं चलता.
हाँ, मतलब एक power bank. Specifically with that power bank.
उसके बिना नहीं चलेगा.
So sorry.
Okay.
My mobile is something somebody
So
says.
if you were on an island where you could get food and water, what two things you would just take with you if you're allowed to take two things? Again, mobile and charger?
No. I think one thing is mobile will be there to capture a lot of things, and one thing would be my book.
Yeah.
Like a book.
What will you do otherwise? खाते
I would
पीते.
love to, sharpen my
And
knowledge.
खाते पीते पढ़ सकते हैं.
खाते पीते पढ़ो. Learning never stops.
So tell me a song which best describes you.
Describes me. Oh my.
Have you ever thought this song is written for me?
I don't know. I've not thought about that. Like, but
Just
I really
offhand
feel
you
that आज मैं ऊपर
Yes.
आसमान नीचे
Right.
आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे.
True. So if somebody wrote a biography on you, what would the title be?
Power pack house, I think a powerhouse girl. I don't
Okay,
know, or digital queen. A lot of people call me that
Digital queen. Let's go with digital
But I
queen.
like more powerhouse because that energy of mine that channelize everything.
The digital powerhouse.
Digital power. Thank
Let's
you
go
so
with
much.
Okay, so that was. See how simple was that?
Thank you
Just a
for
few
having a
questions.
simple question.
Simple questions. Now you get to ask me a question, and I love to give Geeta Gyan, as my daughter says it. Geeta Gyan.
No, we would love to hear because I'm excited for this part of the show because I have prepared.
Okay.
And I really want to ask you a lot of things.
Right.
I mean, you have asked about our journey, but I think you have a lot more experience.
Yeah, because I mean, so many years down the line.
I didn't want to say that.
No, I'm fine with it. I think I'm proud
But
of
a lot
that.
of a great experience you
Yeah,
have, right? So.
right.
Please tell me your 3 takeaways for me, ma'am. Like, what would be
Takeaways?
your as a new generation को देने के लिए यार?
Yeah, the new generation, of course, that if you are, really transparent, वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना नीति अच्छी होती है. When you have everything from within, which is good, you feel good, you work with that attitude that you don't want to cheat, you don't want to bully, you don't want to, take the advantage of somebody. That which even I have always used in my business and in my, whole journey. That just be true.
Okay.
You get what you see. So it's not that you're something else here and then you're something else behind. You're just
You
what
can't be that too.
Yeah. So that is So but there are a whole lot of people which I have seen who are very, very sweet on the face, and at the back they would be the first ones to pull you back or pull you down or whatever. So one is, of course, that you be very, very true. Be disciplined. That is one thing, because discipline is something which will stand you through all your life, in fact, and yeah, never stop learning. That is the third thing, because I think even for me, I studied I got my Reebok certification at the age of 45. I went and studied acting for films at the age of 58. So it is like, every age you never stop learning, and I think now also there's so much to learn from all youngsters also who are coming, and I always feel, I have to do this, what she's doing, because it's like one FOMO, I tell everybody that I have this FOMO कि मैं रह जाऊंगी, मुँह रह गई. My daughter always says, Mom, you have a very big FOMO.
I said, no, ma'am, हमें लगना चाहिए कि हम नहीं रह जाए, like we are missing something which
no, nothing
which
like
you are
that.
not
But
doing
see, now
at
this
this
digital
stage.
world of yours has come now. It was not there in our times.
Correct.
So when this came, I wanted to do that. मैंने channel खोलना है, ये करना है, उसके लिए काम करना है. It was nothing to do. I keep spending for it, In fact, I mean, it's nothing to do कि I'm going to okay, it will happen over a period of
Period
time,
of
I know,
time.
and it is
Correct.
going towards there. But then that came in a little later. First it was
Right.
just for fun, and let's start and let's do it. It's something new, and you really don't know what you're getting. It for
Yeah.
me, it was not something which I knew I was getting into.
पता ही नहीं था, but हमने
हाँ,
जर्नी शुरू
करना
कर दी
जरूर है,
थी।
वो करना है बस. So it's like that, you know, whatever you see you want to do. अच्छा तुमको ये करना है, चल मैं भी लग जाती हूँ. My daughter says, Mom, everything you want to do, जो भी आता है तुम बोल रही हो, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. Stop. We will do only this type of work. We will only take this.
Okay.
So sometimes she tells somebody, we had a few directors and small filmmakers who came and they said, you know, to do this role, that role. She said, Mom, you can't do this. You can't work with them. I said, why? I said, it's okay. मुझे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Why? I said, just camera के सामने करना ही है, तो I'm happy with it. Absolutely no. So it's like that, but
Right.
I'm okay with, you know, work is work and fun is fun, and I think you should just enjoy what you're doing also. Otherwise you'll never
True, indeed,
never
indeed.
never
Yes.
be
वो
able
motivation
to do
ही नहीं
anything.
आएगा, सुबह उठ के
कुछ
वो
नहीं.
motivation ही नहीं आएगा,
Yes.
I think.
So I think those things are
Enjoy
there
it.
in life. Enjoy what you do. Be disciplined. Be true to yourself. Be. You know,
I'm taking my takeaway, that is discipline. Like,
Discipline.
because I think right now that is the phase when even I am keeping myself, मैं अपने आप को push कर रही हूँ that be disciplined. I'm not
Well,
that
you-
much.
and you know, I think
I'm pushing myself.
Yeah, and once you get into the work mode, now a lot of people just forget about taking some time for themselves. That you have to keep yourself productive. You have to keep yourself occupied. You have to keep yourself all the time on the go, learning new things. Otherwise, you will get fed up of life. I have seen a lot of people. You know, taking care of grandchildren, taking care of going to satsangs, going to this, going to that, social, only that is the world which they are in. Maybe they are happy, maybe they don't want any better, but I have always been the one to want to do 10 things at one time, you know, and all those things should be done nicely, all those things should prosper,
ये
all
भी
those
करना,
things,
ये भी
yes. So I think I always wanted to do things which can give me a lot of happiness, a lot of joy. Like dressing up gives me happiness, good clothes give me happiness.
It always, I think, it
Yeah.
makes a lot of difference.
All that just gives
Body
me a lot of
language
pleasure.
and
A good house, you know, every item which is in the house
I
has
so
to be very
admired
beautiful.
today. I was just taking 2-second pause and I was just looking around that how well you have managed this place, and that is my next goal. I
Yes.
think.
But y'all are young and y'all will be able to do it, I'm sure, and I'm sure y'all will be able to do it much better also as the time goes. But yes, I think you should just always keep learning and always want to look ahead, like, you know, see 10 steps ahead. उधर क्या है वहाँ देखे.
True.
अभी जो है वो है.
Futuristic thinking.
Yeah,
I think,
futuristic क्या
visionary.
है उसमें क्या होना है क्या हो सकता है. And yeah, it was lovely talking to you. I think I also have talked a lot about myself.
It's always pleasure to hear, ma'am. Like, I rather like to be silent a bit when you are speaking because I want to take that. I really like that.
Thank you, my dear. But I wish you all the very best
Thank
in
you so
whatever
much,
you
ma'am.
have whatever you're going to do, what you have planned, what you have visualized,
Thank
and may all the big things come to you in your kitty and fall in your lap. And I'm sure, but you have to work hard for it. That is
Yeah,
there.
and indeed, I'm ready for it.
Ready for it.
I'm ready for it. All ready for work. I think human have taken birth for the purpose
work,
only.
your purpose of life.
So we have to run for that. I mean, that's something.
Yes. So now we end with your mantra.
Okay, so that being into digital world, there are like this mantra that to grow business, go digital, and go digital with Forum.
Oh wow! Yes.
That is what which
of
I
course.
can say. Yeah.
By anyone else.
Yeah.
With
Go
Forum.
digital with Forum.
Great. Thank you so much for coming on this show. It has been a real pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for calling. It's my pleasure here. Thank you.
So we met Forum Marpatya Patel and this was such an awesome interview. I think I have spoken a lot too and I've heard a lot and I think I've learned a lot also, you know, hearing these youngsters. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please do put your comments below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you once again with another guest, with another journey, with another startup idea. Till then, be safe, be happy, be healthy, and remain awesome.